Welcome to the house of R. This is a Mini GT Bugatti unboxing, and we got 10. I'll take them one by one. So let's open up and get them on the table. And I want to start off with this Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in light blue. See, the box has gotten a dent. That's because this one I got in a second-hand deal. And it was cheap, and I was curious about the Mini GT, and I wanted more Bugattis. So here it is. Get them on the table too. And there we go, the Mini GT Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in light blue. So when I got this about 5 months ago, I decided this was very nice. So I started to hunt for the others. Next up, I got in the USA, Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in blue. And they are licensed under the Mio exclusives. So you get a little more packaging. Let's open it. There it is, out of the plastic. Look at that. Beautiful Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in blue. And up on the table with you. And there he is, spinning around. Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in blue. That is so cool. Alright, Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, matte black. And there he is, matte black, Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. What a cool beauty. Look at that black matte Bugatti with silver rims. Good details. And look at those brake lights. Oh, gotta love it. Let's go for a white one. Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport white. Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in white. Wow. Beautiful. And there you go. This car is beautiful in any color, but I think I like the black one better than the white one. Alright, let's go back to a yellow one. It's Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in yellow. And there you have it. And that's the yellow version, Bugatti Pure Sport in yellow. Number 16. I got this car twice because one vendor sent me the wrong car. So I put one for sale. Alright, let's go with the black Bugatti Centodieci. Wow. Look at that. Let's have a closer look. And that is fantastic. What a nice car. Alright. We got even more Bugattis. We got the white Bugatti Centodieci. That is fantastic. I thought the black one was beautiful. I think in this case I like the white one even better. Look at that. Perfect balance between black and white. Silver in the rims. Good details in the back. Wow. Alright, let's choose another black one. Get in focus. We get the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. There you go. Look at those details. You can see the carbon, cool orange stripes. That is a cool car. Wow. I'm almost speechless. So far, my favorite. That is cool. Alright, going back to Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo. And it's not white, it's silver. Wow. Wow. And wow again. Look at that. Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in silver. Blue, silver and black. That is beautiful. Right, one car left. And that, go in focus. Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo yellow. Speechless. Beautiful. The silver one is a bit better. And look at that. This was the hardest one to get. I had to order it twice, but it's here. Got all 10, and there is more coming this year. So I'm gonna photoshoot this into my garage. So tell me in the commentary which one did you like best. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. If you liked the video, put a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you get a warning each time I release a video. Bye.